Welcome back to Beautyistic, where today we're going to take a closer look at a tool that's become a staple in many hair routines, the Paris Hilton Triple Hair Waver. If you're into that effortless, beachy wave look, then you're definitely going to want to know what this professional-grade tool has to offer. This hair waver is designed to help you create voluminous, long-lasting waves with minimal effort. It features 3 barrels, which are perfect for achieving the signature S-shaped waves that give your hair a full, bouncy look. The waver comes in a sleek pink color, adding a fun pop of style to your hair tool collection. But beyond the design, let's see how it performs in real life. First, let's talk about the key features. The Paris Hilton Triple Hair Waver is made with a combination of acrylonitrile butadiene styrenes, plastic, and aluminum, both materials designed for durability and heat resistance. The tool's ceramic coating ensures that heat is distributed evenly, helping to reduce frizz and protect your hair from damage. It heats up to a maximum of 410 degrees Fahrenheit, offering a range of temperatures suitable for various hair types. When I first tried the waver, I was really impressed with how easy it was to use. The 3 barrels are perfectly spaced to create that classic beach wave look, and the ceramic coating gave my hair a smooth finish without feeling crispy or overly textured. The heat up time was relatively quick, and I could tell right away that this wasn't just a cute tool, it's built for performance. As far as usability goes, the design is ergonomic, so it's easy to grip and control, even when you're working with sections of hair. I particularly liked how the tool glided through my hair. It wasn't overly heavy, but it felt solid in my hand, offering great control throughout the styling process. One thing to note though, because it's a triple barrel design, I had to work in smaller sections to get even waves. It does take a bit of time, but the results are worth it. Now for some of the strengths. The waver definitely delivers on volume. It gives your hair that thick, textured look without having to tease or use any other products. The waves hold up really well throughout the day, even on my thick, somewhat resistant hair. The ceramic coating also left my hair feeling shiny and smooth, which was a nice touch. However, there are a few areas where I think it could improve. For one, the tool gets pretty hot, so be cautious when handling it, especially if you're not used to high heat styling tools. Also, while it does create beautiful waves, it can be a bit tricky to get perfectly uniform waves along the entire length of your hair. I found that the ends didn't always get as defined as I'd like, but this might just be a personal preference. In terms of value for money, the Paris Hilton Triple Hair Waver is priced reasonably for a tool that delivers consistent results. It's not the most affordable option out there, but it's certainly not the most expensive either. Given the long-lasting style and heat protection, I think it's a solid choice for anyone looking to add more texture and volume to their hair routine without breaking the bank. If you're on the hunt for alternatives, there are some other great triple barrel wavers on the market, like the Bedhead Wave Artist or the Conair Double Ceramic Triple Barrel Waver, which are a little more budget friendly, but still provide similar results in terms of texture and volume. However, if you're looking for something that's durable and stylish, the Paris Hilton version is definitely worth considering. When it comes to build quality, this tool feels solid and well made. The ABS plastic and aluminum materials seem durable, and the ceramic coating helps protect your hair from excessive heat damage. However, like with any heated styling tool, proper maintenance is key to longevity. I would recommend cleaning it regularly to keep the ceramic plates free from product buildup. As for customer support, I haven't had to contact the brand personally, but Paris Hilton's product line generally has a good reputation for customer service, with many users reporting timely responses to inquiries. Wrapping up the review, the Paris Hilton Triple Hair Waver is an effective tool for anyone looking to add beachy waves and volume to their hair. It's easy to use, heats up quickly, and delivers long-lasting results with minimal frizz. However, it may not be the best for those seeking ultra-precise, defined waves, and you'll need to take extra care with the heat settings. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've tried this waver, or have any tips, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.